To love God is to hate sin. 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 Your daughters and your sons, make them hear you. Sometimes there are battles which are more than black or white. And I could not put down my sword when justice was my right. Make them hear you. To love God is to hate sin. To love God is to hate sin.